Hello everyone, and welcome back to Drama-O-Rama Online. I'm Mrs. Combs, and I'm so excited to be sharing this time with you today. Now, remember to have your journals handy, and let's get started. For today's warm-up, we are going to revisit articulation. Now remember, articulation is saying our vowel sounds and our consonant sounds clearly enough for the entire audience to understand us. So let's start by warming up our face. Are you ready? Let's start by stretching our face. So we are going to do that same exercise where we stretch as wide as we can and then squish our faces. Keep stretching wide and squishing, and we're going to do that 3 times. Are you ready? And stretch wide and squish. Stretch wide and squish. Stretch wide and squish. Great. Now we are going to stretch our tongues. This is a little tricky. You're going to put the tip of your tongue behind your bottom teeth and stretch your tongue out in like a little curl. So let me show you. Ready? Ha. Try that. And you're going to vocalize a little bit with it. Ha. Good. Let's do one more time. Ha. Very good. Now, let's blow air through our lips and make a vibrating sound. Are you ready? Let's try that one more time. All right, now to end it up, let's shake our faces. And now I think we are ready to articulate some interesting sounds. I'm going to say a variety of sounds, and I want you to pronounce it in an exaggerated way after me. Are you ready? Ba. V. Who. Ray. Mo. La. Gi. Nu. J. Zo. Ta. D. Chew. Shay. So. Very good. Now let's combine the sounds. Remember to exaggerate the articulation. Are you ready? Banu. Chuvi. Zota. Jishay. Jmo. Okay, now we're going to put it all together like it's a sentence. Are you ready? Banu Zota. Jishay Chuvi. Jmo Zoba. Very good. Today, we're going to explore gibberish. So when we use gibberish, we communicate with lots of expression using made-up sounds and gestures instead of words. It's important to use a variety of sounds when speaking in gibberish, like the sounds we warmed up with earlier today. And avoid saying the same sound over and over again, like abba dabba sabba dabba faba baba, because that doesn't make for a very interesting gibberish word, phrase, or sentence. So I'm going to give you an example of a gibberish sentence, and I want you to try to figure out what I'm trying to communicate. Are you ready? Shobu sakite. I don't want to go. Let's practice speaking in gibberish. We're going to start with one word. I'm going to show you the word, say it in gibberish, and then I want you to imitate what I say. Are you ready?
Gunani.
Let's try another word.
Suviwa.
Let's try a phrase.
Te gunani bletchu.
Let's try another phrase.
Te suviwa bletchu.
Now let's try a whole sentence.
Pletude kagunani suviwa doka bletchu. Pletude kagunani suviwa doka bletchu.
Let's try one more sentence.
Ka suviwa bletchu dumata gunani. Ka suviwa bletchu dumata gunani.
By using broad facial expressions and vocal expressions and a super expressive body, we can tell a very detailed and interesting story using gibberish. Try practicing gibberish at home. Say a word or a phrase or a sentence while looking in the mirror. Observe your facial expressions and observe your gestures that you're using. Then I want you to say it again in gibberish, but this time I want you to put lots of energy in your facial expressions, your vocal expressions, and your gestures. And don't forget, share with your family and your teachers. It's time for today's journal prompt. Thank you so much for exploring gibberish with me today. Nobu Rachu!